Hello and welcome back for another XRP price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my breakout targets and also cover the fundamental analysis. And before I do so, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And I know at the time of this recording, most of you have seen the news that we have here on the XRP, where we have the news that XRP is not a security. And as a result of this, we have seen a lot of volatility in the market, where we have now seen XRP get a massive gain of up to 73% for the day. And the other thing that the other news that people are trying to focus on is Coinbase listing XRP once more. And if I get back to my Twitter account, you can see that this is the #1 trending at the moment. And this is the next big news that we need to keep our eyes on. And the moment Coinbase announces that it's going to list XRP, I'm expecting a lot of volatility on the XRP chart. And getting to the that is the technical analysis on the XRP chart. Here on the daily chart, if I zoom out for a better view, you can see that since the 10th of July 2020, we saw this massive pump in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 1, in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.94685 mark. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have now been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure. And this move has also fully maximized minimum target areas, and there are high chances that XRP now has a low in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, and soon could start that massive pump to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, you can see that today we have this long candlestick on the daily chart, and this is as a result of that volatility because of the news, the positive news that we had today. And there are chances that this is just the start of it, and we are going to continue gearing up. And in case Coinbase announces that it's going to list XRP once more, then we can expect a lot of volatility and higher prices here on the XRP chart. And giving you minimum target areas for this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 above that is at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $3.27348 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect XRP to do in the formation of that wave 3. So here on the charts, there are high chances that maybe today or maybe tomorrow we might see XRP get above the $1 mark. That is a scenario that has a very high possibility of playing out here on the chart. And using the Fibonacci's, I also want to give you an area here on the Fibonacci's that we need to keep our eyes on, so that we can still say that this movement that you're seeing on the chart is going to continue. And if I use the Fibonacci's, connecting them from that low that you have seen, that is for the past few days within this week, to that high that you have made today, in case we see further weakness, because there are chances that we are going to see a bit of a pullback here on the charts, then there are chances that we are going to find support at the fib level 0.5. And that is the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And that is between the $0.71398 mark and the $0.65658 mark. And this is a significant area that we need to keep our eyes on here on the XRP chart, because in case we see a bit of that is weakness here on the chart and a pullback, this is an area that we need to hold within and see a reaction to it and start gearing up in the formation, that is continue gearing up. But if by any chance we lose this area over here, then that would be suggesting that we might see a bit of a pullback, that is further breakdown here on the charts before we can start gearing up once more. But once we have more and more positive news on the XRP chart, continue expecting higher prices. And I hope that for those that might have missed out on XRP, I think it's wise not to chase these green candlesticks, because at some point you might get wrecked, and it's wise maybe waiting for a pullback so that you can get a nice entry, so that you can be able to ride the next massive pump to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the XRP chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated on a daily basis.